Hey guys, I'm cooking Christmas Eve dinner right now. I got some mushrooms and shallots in here. And we're gonna make a tortellini and Alfredo right here. We're just improvising with what we have. We got bread from yesterday that I already ate half of just because I was hungry. I wish you could see the view, but you'll see in the morning maybe. There's beautiful waves and apparently there's supposed to be whales and stuff here. That's why we wanted to stay here for Christmas, so we could spend it with the whales. We bought a couple things for our Christmas dinner. We got apple pie. You want to show the apple pie?
So for our Christmas dinner, we have apple pie for dessert. We have this Asian salad kit that we're gonna have as an appetizer. This is the tortellini that Lucas was talking about. It's spinach, ricotta, and parmesan.
This is our Alfredo sauce.
Clásico. We got some olives as a snack. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're having for Christmas Eve dinner.
Right now we could be at home with our families. We kind of do regret a little bit not being with our families, but I think in order to grow, you have to be uncomfortable. We've both been with our families every single year for Christmas since the day we were born. So I think by us doing this, it's helping us grow. We're gonna now spend Christmas on the ocean, and hopefully we're gonna see whales tomorrow. That's why we're here. The whole point of us doing this road trip is to get out of our comfort zone and to motivate others to do it. And they don't necessarily have to go on a road trip, but to break through their comfort zone and go on that trip, go do that thing that you've always wanted to do and break past that uncomfortable mindset. Because if you're just comfortable your whole life, chances are you're not gonna accomplish very much. Sorry to say. We've been living in our car for about a month and a half now, and we've just experienced the most amazing things, and it keeps getting better. And we are very grateful for everything that's happened and all the people we've met. And I honestly can say that my belly is full. I am fulfilled after this trip. And we haven't done everything we wanted to do, and there's always next time to do it. You can't do everything, especially when traveling across all of America and Canada.
In a car.
In a car. You can't do everything on your first go. So we're gonna come back eventually and do it again. But we've done way more than we thought we would, and we are super grateful. And thank you to all the people we've met. Thank you for, being so hospitable and bringing us into your space. Thank you for spending the night with us and teaching us new things. We really appreciate you guys. I think we've made lifelong friends from this road trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would go back and visit all of them.
Yeah, I want to go back and visit all the people we've met. Everyone was so amazing. Oh, we got boilage. Throwing it in. Let's see. We're almost past capacity.
Oh my God, you're so lucky.
I know. Almost overflowing here.
Timer's starting.
Is close.
Got our Asian style salad with wontons, cranberries, cabbage, lettuce.
Not bad for a car salad, eh?
Yeah, grease. It's overflowing, guys. It should be good then, I guess.
Here, let me scoop just a little bit out because this is too much.
Oh no.
I dropped one.
Man overboard.
Look, it's coming up. Look. Oh, fuck.
There you go. Minute's done.
Oh my God, the water put the flame out. That looks good though. Oh yeah.
Damn, we're chefs, huh?
Yep.
So the first course is Asian salad.
I'm actually surprised at how good this is. First store-bought salad.
I rated it a 10 out of 10 for car food.
You're being too generous. They're 10 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
This salad's better than some salads I've had at restaurants, so
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm very strict with my ratings. I'm gonna say 6. Oh, for car food, it's up there. It's like an 8 for car food.
Is it one of the best car meals you've had? Better than the butter chicken we made?
In terms of flavor, yes.
Now our tortellini, mushroom tortellini. Cheers.
Cheers. 5-star restaurant.
Oh, that's good, babe. I'm happy with that.
Happy wife, happy life.
I think that's an 11. Better than the salad.
You're just happy to eat something other than carrots and apples.
And banana wraps. And it's warm.
Yes.
What do you rate it?
It's still warm. Car food, I think, is a 7.
You gave the salad an 8. 7?
I wish I put a little bit more flavor in there. Okay, I'll give it 7.5.
It's worse than the salad?
I really like the sauce, that's why.
Damn.
Okay, 7.5 car food, but in general, it's still like a 6.5. I literally just added salt and olive juice.
Merry Christmas Eve, babes.
Merry Christmas Eve. I love you.
Love you. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
We love you.
We love you so much. Have so much fun with your families. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays and a happy new year. and we love you. If you haven't subscribed already, we would really appreciate it if you did subscribe. But if you don't want to, that's also cool.
Period.
But thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for your support. We hope you have fun during the holidays.
Mwah! This is actually fucking bus.
Busty, ussy.
Look at that. That's bus juice right there.
This is our view that we were talking about last night. Merry Christmas, by the way.
Merry Christmas to you and your families.